Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays with Vanna. And once again, we'd like to invite and say thank you to Isaac, our Business Development Manager here at Data Sciences Corporation. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks, Vanna. Thanks for having me.
Appreciate your taking up time, and we're sure we're going to be speaking about some interesting stuff. Last week we highlighted effectively the Pure Storage Accelerate announcements. We ran through those, and there were some exciting ones, but in particular, we said we're going to do a deep dive on the Flash Array E, which is what we're doing today. We are going to do a deep dive into what that means and where the Flash Array E fits in to the portfolio and what benefit it offers to our customers, right?
Yes.
So let's get that started and find out the obvious question. Question one: where does this Flash Array E fit into the Pure Storage portfolio?
Fantastic. Yeah. So as we know the portfolio, there's a wide range of products in there.
Yeah.
Okay. You've got the big boys, which is the Flash Array XL.
Yeah.
And then right underneath that, you've got the Flash Array X machines, which is the 20, the 50, the 70, and the 90.
Yeah.
And then you've got the Flash Array C.
Yeah.
And then right underneath there, you've got the Flash Array E, which is a new box.
The new entrant, eh?
The new entrant.
All right.
The top machines are optimized for performance, and then the bottom machines are optimized for capacity.
Okay. Using the QLC and obviously giving you that efficiency in the storage space.
Correct.
Perfect.
Correct.
And I believe it's quite a small box.
Yeah.
So
small.
Physical. How does this thing look and feel?
It's tiny in price and tiny in size.
Tiny in size. So a little pocket battleship is what you're describing.
But big in value.
Hey, I like this.
Yeah.
This is starting to sound good. So
yeah. So
yeah.
It's got physically it's a 3U box.
Okay, 3 rack U. It's
Yeah.
about like that, eh?
Yeah, definitely. And then you can add a shelf to that, another 3U shelf.
So 6U.
6U.
6 rack U about there, I think. Eh? And 19-inch across, eh?
19, no,
Standard rack.
19-inch, yeah. And then in there, 6U, you can fit up to 48 drives.
48, and they are 75 terabyte drives each.
Exactly.
48 times 75 each. That is a very, dense. Dense in terms of capacity. So that what's that equal to in total? What's the top out at?
Up to 4 petabytes.
4 petabytes.
Raw storage.
4 petabytes.
Flash storage
in 6 rack U.
Yes.
And probably the power footprint of like a toaster.
Yes.
Okay. So really, really efficient from all of the physical aspects
Absolutely. And you can get your fiber channel block ports or connectivity, as well as your file connectivity, gigabit Ethernet, 100 gigabit Ethernet.
Oh, 100 gigabit Ethernet standard. So comes standard configured with both because it's a unified box, right?
It's a unified box, yeah.
So it has to have the fiber channel connectivity for that, and then your iSCSI options, and then also obviously your Ethernet protocols such as, which is obviously NFS, SMB. SIFs, all of those guys, right? And that's what makes it unique to every other range that Pure Storage has, because this is the first edition that they brought out with those protocols, the unified box. The other boxes are all just block storage alone, right, on the Flash Array side of things.
Well, they are block.
Yeah.
We can still support unified, but they are not optimized for that space.
This is the one that comes.
This is the one
configured like this.
Configured, and it's dedicated to provide that value in that space.
Perfect. Right.
And
so
the price point as well.
For that as well.
Yeah.
Software features. I mean, we know Pure revolutionized the software side in terms of storage.
Yes.
So same
ethos. It's moving in the same energy. You would recall back in the day, our previous lives, when you needed a software feature, you needed to add, tick a box and pay a price.
Yeah.
You'll get your operating system. If you
the
need
base thing,
snapshots, you tick a box, you pay. If you need remote replication, you tick a box, you pay.
Yeah.
With Pure, it's
all
simple.
included. Same as what they've come. All our customers have come to love and know, right?
Come to love and know.
Purity OS, snapshotting, replication, active,
async, synchronous, everything is
Pure One monitoring, all of that stuff, right?
All of that.
Okay, perfect.
Built in there, and what you get on the XL in terms of the software feature and functionality, you get on this box.
Yeah. Exactly the same. It's really just the hardware that changes in the back end. Yes. Perfect. And that's great. So if you have an existing environment, pure environment, then this slots right in. It's very small training, literally no training. It all works like the same, pretty much. All pures work the same.
If you've worked on it, then
it'll be a great experience. Yeah. So what would you kind of position as the most value add that this particular new FlashArray E brings to our customer base and to the market in this?
Yeah, so there's a couple of areas or talking points or environments that this box slots in and it provides value to customers. And the first one is obviously the ability for it being a unified box, you can serve your block storage to your servers, and as well as serve your file storage to your servers, file shares, all on the same platform. From a block side point of view, environment, some customers, this for large enterprises, you can run your test and dev environment because it does give you performance, but it's not a high performing box like the XL and the X.
You just need to test functionality, get UAT and all of those kind of QAs and stuff through.
You can do that on this box. And for some customers, it may very well be a production box.
Yeah. Right. It might fit for them. It might be a fit for fit their needs specifically.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that gives us that primary use case in terms of block storage. Having file access in terms of SIF and NFS. There's a plethora of use cases that you would use that for, right? File serving, backup target. Exactly. What else? You mounting file shares and all of those things.
Content repository.
Absolutely.
Those kind of things. Yeah.
Right. And any technology that kind of leverages a NFS kind of interface or a SIFS interface, you can directly connect to the storage.
SMB. Yes.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Definitely.
Brilliant. That's great.
And then the second area basically is the archiving long-term retention environment.
Yes.
Okay. So this box has been launched to target specifically the low-end, high-capacity disk space. So with the pure ethos of moving away from disk, we're trying to remove the need, or Pure is trying to remove the need for customers to have to buy disk because it's cheap.
And we're talking spinning disk here.
Spinning disks.
Spinning media.
Yes.
Hard drives, mechanical drives, right?
Yes. Spinning rust.
Yeah, spinning rust. Yes, spinning rust. No, we don't want to spin rust anymore, man. No.
So you can do your long-term archiving retention on this box. Yeah. It can go up to 4 petabytes.
Massive.
So if you want to put data there and forget about it, then come and search for it.
But it's still on flash.
Still on flash,
right? And so even on a recall and all of that stuff, you exponentially have more performance, right? Because of the media it's just a new order of magnitude in terms of performance, right? And the type of IO that you can serve and all of that stuff.
And you bring it back and you do your crunching, you do whatever you want to do, analytics on your archive and whatever you've got that oomph that you can.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. It's a real, very well-rounded, elegant, multi-faceted solution that they brought out.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Cost effective.
Yeah, and it comes in at a good price point. Yeah, perfect. And specifically to backup,
you touched on.
Yes, I mentioned it earlier.
Yeah. So the other area is the backup and repository, backup and recovery.
Yes.
Excuse me. Backup and recovery. This is an area that this box is well suited for as well. Okay, so you can do your backups. There's tight integration between Pure as well as the likes of Commvault and NV.
Perfect.
Provide backup and restore solutions to customers.
Perfect. And we're a big Commvault partner.
Yeah.
So bringing those two worlds together with data sciences, we offering quite a unique solution.
We're the guys to talk to.
Yeah, great stuff. And there's also, Pure is, we've seen a massive increase in ransomware and those type of attacks. So we're kind of running out of time here, but I just want to make sure that we touch on this. It's so important, right?
Yeah. So from the last point is the one that you just mentioned, the ransomware. So it's a big problem for worldwide for customers. So what Pure has done over the years is it's got what we call immutable snapshots, where you can take snapshots and make them that customers cannot change them. Nobody can change them. And then you put them somewhere, and then in the event of a ransomware attack, you can restore from them.
So you literally take that snapshot, move it off of your primary platform, right? Keep it safe on a secondary platform.
Yes.
And then if that primary platform gets compromised through ransomware, you can recover that platform using that immutable snapshot.
Absolutely.
And we've saved quite a few customers using that, right?
Oh yes.
This has been put to the test numerous times, and it's proven.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We've got the battle scars.
We've seen it happen.
We've seen it happen, and this box at the price point, it's perfect.
Yeah.
For that.
Hosting those snapshots.
Yeah. Just don't call it the Pure ransomware
protected box, because then the guys will know.
Then everybody knows that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
No, Isaac, thank you so much for joining us once again. I think in terms of performance and space, energy, power, efficiency, this Flash Array E, it just brings all of those benefits to the storage market and to our customers.
Absolutely. And it inherits all the benefits that come with Pure, with the ethos and the evergreen
just
programs
extends into all of those great things. So great, thank you for sharing with us a bit more information specifically on this new platform. Really exciting to bring this to the market. Chat to Data Sciences Corporation, Isaac and the team. If you are absolutely interested in exploring this further, happy to engage with our customers.
Absolutely.
Good stuff. Isaac, once again, thank you for joining us here on
Thanks, Bernard. Thanks for having me, and thanks to the viewers.
Thank you guys to like, share, and follow our LinkedIn page.